Hey, Jonathan here with Central Sound on how to replace the headband pad on your Bose Quiet Comfort 35 headphones. If you're unsure what model of headphones you have, you can check the Bose Connect app and follow the instructions here to identify which model you have. I'm using a box cutter here to remove the old headband pad. Just be very careful, use something sharp, and try not to hurt yourself. Right here is the replacement headband pad that we sell at Central Sound, and these are very easy to install. They snap right in place. If you wanted to remove and install the original headband pad, it would be very difficult, very technical. Our kit also includes a screwdriver here. First thing you would need to do is remove these brackets on the side. There are 4 screws, 2 on each side. So once those screws are removed, then you could remove the plastic brackets. Once the brackets are removed, you could remove the old headband pad material. Make sure to remove these plastic pieces here. And also there is some foam on here that would also need to be removed as well. So once that foam is removed, then you are able to install the new headband pad. Here I'm installing the top piece in first and just kind of lining it up. You want to make sure that the cord, the wire, is in the middle between the clips, just like this. And once it's all lined up in place, then you could install the bottom portion of the headband pad. And once it's lined up, you can squeeze and you'll hear some clicks, and just keep squeezing all the way around and also on the other side as well. And once you stop hearing the snaps, it should be installed, and then just kind of check to make sure there's no gaps and it's all installed and clipped together. It should look like this when it's clipped together completely. Now we can install the brackets. There are sharp plastic prongs that you want to make sure are facing upwards. So try to line them up, and then also these holes here, there's a small gap that the holes should line up with. And once you got it lined up, just hold it in place, and then you can grab the other bracket piece, and once again make sure the plastic prongs are facing the top of the headband pad. And then once you have them kind of lined up and together, hold them in place with one hand, and then you can screw the screws in with the other hand. Or if you have a small vise, that is also helpful to hold it in place. And once the screws are screwed in, you are finished. And this is what the new headband pad looks like. Once again, you can order from us at centralsound.co for this easy replacement.